Kabukiran, sa kabukiran, ay! Kamyas! Kamyas! Sya! Alam niyo ba guys, na ang scientific name ng kamyas ay Abeluma belembe. Ano daw yun?
Sometimes the worst case scenario is the scenario. If you're the Golden State Warriors, now I understand. They think I can just hold on to it. And then they say, no, we're not going to foul. That's great communication, so he gets it. They're going to trap. He doesn't see that third guard coming in, Conley, and now you're off to the races. But then don't you want a replay on the other end, because LeBron was a 22% three-point shooter. If I'm a Timberwolves fan, don't I want Anthony Edwards to have a touch on that possession? No, there's not enough time. You got to go quick because, if I'm thinking Conley had the shot. That's the Conley dribble up, but again, sometimes it takes a little bit of time to learn your teammates, learn the percentages like that. That takes a little bit. If he had to do it over with Conley, who's one of the smartest point guards in this league, would he throw it to a 22% shooter? Probably not. That was the right play.
ito na guys, luto na yung aking inununan or paksiw na Gigi o galunggong sa kamyas. Start na tayo. Tikman natin guys. Tikman natin guys. Kaya ko po nilalagyan. Sila dito mahilig sila pag may inunon o paksiw. Yung pag nagtuyo na yung ano guys. Eh si Mr. mahilig sa ganyan. Ewan ko sa ibang mga Bicolano. Si Mr. mahilig sa ganyan na yung pag medyo tuyo na yung inununan o paksiw, nilalagyan ng kunting lana. Kasi yung nagiging kalinalabasan niya guys ay malinamnam siya. Para bang ano ba siya? Basta kahit isda lang siya, para siyang may tambok, may taba na kunti na nakadagdag lasa o sarap. Yan guys, dinurog ko yung sili at ang kamyas sa kanyang sabaw na kunti. Yun ang nagdadala sa kanya guys. Saka muhiwain o kaya'y kumuha ng isda. Galunggong. Kahit anong isda guys, siguro. Yan. Unang subo, shout out sa lahat ng aking mga kasuportahan dyan. Laging dyan sa inyo si Mami. Salamat din sa inyong pagdalaw like kay Mami. Unang subo guys. Maasing-asim, maanghang, at medyo may pagka yung ano ng lana. Sarap talaga. Yung dito na lang guys ang aking di ko muna tatapusin ang aking pagkain. Ayan, yung anak ko dumating na. Kasi kasuhin ko muna ang kaniyang pagkain. Till next time guys. Bye-bye.